Gutom ka na, tas yung anak mo ayun, lakad ng lakad pa rin. Ay, saan ba ito pupunta? Bibi, come! Ayan. Hello, Mayon! Here is the SM Food Hall. Hello, come na. Mika. Yeah. Ganda, ganda. Look at the Mayon. Oh, it's against the light. We're gonna have it.